And today we're reviewing the Cosco Kids Pinch-Free Folding Chairs in red. Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau, wife. We've had these for over a year and they've held up really well, as you can see. Kind of the features on these, when you fold them, you'll notice that it doesn't come fully together, so it prevents the kids' hands from getting pinched inside. The only place really you could get, I guess, pinched is down where there's this cushioned pad, but it's designed to keep the feet from pinching together. My daughter has informed me that technically when this slides up and down, you can feel it a little bit if you got your finger in there, but it can't actually pinch your skin. From the design, I liked that they were red. They kind of went along with the theme we were going for in here. If I was getting really cool, I could have soaked these labels off, but I haven't worried about them too much. They come in a pack of 4. One of the other ones is out in the house somewhere, but overall I'd give them 5 out of 5 stars.